Hello everyone. This is especially for class 9. It's a short notification which is from CBSE board. Subject is what? Revise academic curriculum for the session 2020 and 21. The prevailing health emergency in the country and the different parts of the world, as well as the efforts to contain the spread of COVID-19 pandemic, has resulted in loss of classroom teaching due to closure of schools. Therefore, the board has decided to revise the syllabus for classes from 9 to 12 for the academic session 2020 and 21. The changes made in the syllabus have been finished by the respective course committees with the approval of the curriculum committee and governing body of the board. The revision of syllabus is a measure taken due to the extraordinary situation prevailing in the country and at different parts of the world. Considering the importance of achieving the level of learning, the syllabus has been rationalized to the extent possible by retaining the core concepts. The head of the schools and the teachers may ensure that the topics that had been reduced are also explained to the students to the extent required to connect different topics. However, the reduced syllabus will not be part of the topics for internal assessment and year and board examination. Now, this is a reason for the syllabus because due to this pandemic COVID-19, the school is closed, as you know, and the syllabus has been reduced by the core committee of the CBSE board. I'll just discuss today about class 9. Everyone please open a book to the content class 9. I will let you know which are the topics or which are the chapters which has been reduced. You can see section 1, the French in the events and processes, the French Revolution. Chapter 2, socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. And the third is Nazism and the rise of Hitler. These three chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3 is compulsory. And you look to the section 2, livelihoods, economic and societies. In new book, there are only two chapters, that is forest society and colonialism and petrolist in the modern world. In old book, there are another topics, peasants and the farmers, that has been removed already. So from this section 2, these two chapters have been removed because from this chapter 4 and 5, we are supposed to do only one. Any one of them was in the syllabus, but this has been removed by the core committee of CBSE. So that means we don't have to do chapter 4 and 5. That means the single one chapter from this section 2. That means none of the chapters we have to do. Understood? So that means leave section 2 totally. Boycott this section because we don't have to do any chapters from this section. Now only 3 chapters, that means compulsory chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3 is compulsory. That means one chapter from history has been removed. And from civics, please open the content of the civics. From civics, chapter 1, democracy in the contemporary world, you don't have to do because it has already been removed from class 9 syllabus. Chapter 2, what is democracy? Why democracy? Chapter 3, constitutional design. Chapter 4, electoral politics. And another chapter, that is working of institution. This 4 is compulsory. And the last chapter, that is democratic rights, have been removed due to this pandemic situation. That means the core committee of CBSE has removed this last chapter, democratic rights. Okay, that means from civics we have to do only 4 chapters. From 5 chapters we have to do only 4, that is what is democracy, why democracy, constitutional design, electoral politics and working of institutions. Only 4 chapter. Hope you understood. I'll revise. From history, only 3 chapters. From section 1, 1, 2, 3 is compulsory. Section 2 totally deleted from the syllabus. Okay, you don't have to do. And from civics, 4 chapters. This is for class 9. Hope you understood. Okay guys, thank you.